Sabo Loco coming in with a new video. Gonna be opening up 3 10s. We got an Eevee, an Eternatus, and a Pokemon V10. Gonna go ahead and open these up and see how they go. I'm gonna go with Pikachu first because that's my favorite. So let's see what we get inside. I'll try to open these a little faster today. Let's go ahead and open this. We get the Pikachu promo card, which actually looks pretty good. I like the look of that. Not the absolute best, but it's not bad. Alright, let's see what kind of packs we get in here. Put this over here. Is that all that's in there? Okay, we actually get 4 packs inside. Looks like we got a Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, and a Rebel Clash. Okay. Definitely interested in that. Let's go ahead and just open them in that order. Okay, we got Battle Styles first. I've actually pulled the gold, is it Ultra Ball or Great Ball inside? So let's see what kind of happens this time around. Formontes, Meryl, Mankey, Reverse. We actually got a holo. It's a Bronzong. Look at that. Okay. First holo hit of the day. On to Vivid Voltage. Maybe we get that Chunkachu Giant Pikachu. Be pretty sweet. Let's see. Let's go ahead. And I am using a new camera, so it looks like it's doing a lot better. Ooh, we got the Poochyena. That looks pretty sweet. Rockruff. We got Amazing Rare. Look at that. Zacian Amazing Rare. I like that. Into a Colossal V. Okay. Double hit or double banger. I'm pretty happy with that. Sweet. I guess now it's going to be on to Darkness Ablaze with that Charizard VMAX in it. I'm never lucky, but we'll see what I get. Got Cubchoo, Rowlet, Jigglypuff, Diglett, Ariados. Wait. Is there no hit in this one? Oh. I guess it was a non-holo hit. I didn't realize Ariados was the reverse. Sorry about that. Okay, on to Rebel Clash. Hopefully Rebel Clash is pretty good. Alright, let's see what we get. Ooh, I like that Vulpix. Looks pretty nice. Okay, reverse Galormine. Into a non-holo Ninetales, but I love the artwork on that Ninetales. Alrighty. On to next 10. You know what? Let's go ahead and go with one of everyone's favorite besides Pikachu. Let's go with the Eevee. I know everyone loves the Eevee. I'm kind of biased because my favorite Eevee evolution would have to be Jolteon. Huge Jolteon fan. I have been thinking about getting that Jolteon VMAX Premium Collection box. Don't know if I'm going to get it, but I'm hoping in the future to get it. Okay, let's crank that open. Get that Eevee promo. Looks pretty nice. Okay, let's just see if it's the same thing in this one as well. Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, and Rebel Clash. Okay. So it looks like we're going to get the same packs in each 10. See if 10 number 2 is going to have the best hits. Okay. What we got? Bronzer. Tepig. Pachirisu. We got Cubone. Poniard. A reverse. And we did get a holo. It's a Meowstic. And I will say, this is, I've never seen this I've never seen this Pokemon before. So, that's kind of cool. Alrighty, on to Vivid Voltage. Gotta see if we come in with that Chonkachu. Oh, one of my boy's favorite, Voltorbs. You know what that means. Gotta set that card aside. She loves Voltorb. Whismur. Trubbish. Tyrannimo. A Bree Reverse. Ooh! Even though it's not a holo, it is a Charizard. And lately, all these Charizards are having some value, so that's awesome. A reverse, not a reverse, but just a Charizard. Okay. I'll take that. That's something. Alrighty. Darkness Ablaze. Will I get lucky this time around? Probably not. Just saying that right now. Probably not. Okay. Milton. Karrablast. Sinistea. Oh, sorry about that. Toxel. Stingy. And a Mimikyu non-holo. Nothing. Alright. On to Rebel Clash. I don't know. I'm gonna be doing a Lost Origin opening again soon. So I can't wait to do that. Ooh, Clefairy. Oh, another Voltorb. You know what that means? It goes right over here. Okay. Growlithe. Dreepy. Reverse. Oh, we get a Rillaboom VMAX. Okay. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. I like the look of that. Alrighty, that is 2 10s down. On to the last 10. And so far, second 10 has had the hits. But that is so far today. We have one more left. Okay. Crank this open. Take out the promo. Here's the Eternus V. That looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead. Take out the 4 packs. Put that aside. Let's go ahead and crank this open with a Battle Styles. Okay. What do we got? We got Honedge. Electabuzz. That's a pretty cool looking Electabuzz. Gligar. Baltoy. Salandit. A Colossal Reverse. And a non-holo. Alrighty, on to the next pack. We got that Vivid Voltage. Okay, we got Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle. Tylo. Sandile. Ooh, Jolteon Reverse. Into a non-holo Ninjask. Hey, Jolteon is my favorite. So I'm pretty glad I got that. Alrighty. Opening up next one. Clink. Dunsparce. Jigglypuff. Dino. Glithel. Oh, I see a hit. We got a Houndoom V. Okay. I do like Houndoom. It's not the fire type I was looking for, but it is a hit. Last pack of the day. Rebel Clash. See what I get. Nosepass. Wingull. Coughing. Bronzer. Toxel. We got a Probopass Reverse into a Mr. Rhyme non-holo. Huh? That's going to be all for this opening. I'm going to have something planned for next one, but be sure to keep watching. And if you do like what I do, please subscribe, and you can always watch the previous video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.